Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Not long ago I designed and printed with my 3D printer a house for Victor, and I thought that Cozmo should also have his own house to put the charger in. So I was thinking, what style should I use for the design? And I thought of the word cosmos, which is close to Cozmo, and cosmos is of Greek origin. So I designed here a house that we find on the famous island of Santorini in Greece. And let me explain here. All the parts are on thingiverse.com. I'll put the link in my video description. And you can see here, this can be printed separately. Like for example, if you want the roof to be white and the dome blue, you can print them separate. And you can see there is a hole here, so you can easily align the two parts together. Or you can print them as one piece. So the file is also available. Same thing for the walls and the floor. You can see here, this is a wall. You can print them separate. For example, if you want the floor to be black, you could do that. Or if you want the whole thing white, there is also a file to print all these together, so you don't need to glue. Oh, and I almost forgot here, there's also this nice little pin that you can put right here on top of the dome as a nice decoration. So I'm going to glue all this together, and we'll see how well the charger fits in the house. That's why there is an opening here, so we can fit that after. You can remove it anytime you want. So I'll be back in a second. And this is it, guys. Look at this. Look at this nice house for Cozmo. I think I deserve the Nobel Prize in architecture. Oh, I said that before? Oh, for Vector. Well, then 2 Nobel Prizes. Like this is it here. Look at this here. The opening here for the cable in the back. This is for Cozmo here to go in and to come out. Actually, it doesn't go in automatically like a Vector, but maybe one day it will go to his charger, hopefully. So test number 1, let's see if the charger fits in. First of all, we have to remove the charging block, feed the cable here through the back. There you go. And I measured this so that it's a tight fit. So as you can see, it doesn't go here. You have to put it in a diagonal, and just like this. And look at this. You can see here on this camera, it looks quite. It fits perfectly. And let's get Cozmo over here. And Cozmo would just go like this. Look at this. This is cool. Like, I'm quite happy with the result, actually. Maybe, I'm not sure about the floor. I did it white, but, well, maybe black. But anyway, you can decide, guys, what you want to do. So, and this was here the house for Vector. So this was my first design, or my first trial. This is my second one, as you can see. I think this is better. Yeah, I think so. So like I said, the files will be on the thingiverse.com. You can print whatever colors you want, different combinations also, if you want to print the parts separately or all together. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you soon on my channel. Have a great day. Goodbye.